And Family Dollar, y'all, picking up some clearance. They got some coffee mugs on clearance, plastic jugs, and a lot of the cups I see is on clearance. $1.97. Those are $1.97, $2.27, then $3. I might have to get my grandson one of these cups. These are cute. A Spider-Man one, $2.27. Then they got these three. He don't know how to quite drink out a straw yet. And they got these 25% off, $9. The Glades are $2. So I'm gonna see what else is on clearance. They had something, Bella deep fryer. Oh, it's right here. $14.97. I should give me that, but it's too little. Then they got these $4.97, 76 count. And then something's $7.97. So they do got a little bit of stuff going on clearance, but I might have to check out this deep fryer though, y'all. For $14.97, you can't beat that. Okay, y'all, I'm in another Dollar General, and basically they got Huggies on clearance, 25% off. Huggies little movers. I guess it's these. It says 4 through 7, 36 to 58 counts. So I'm guessing it is them or maybe the boxes, but they might be gone, y'all. I think I missed it. So let me look around and see if I can find anything. Because I got these, but it's the wrong ones. Because it says 36 to 58 count. So yeah, y'all. I think I might be too late. Too late. But we're about to see. Okay, y'all, I am back home from Family Dollar. Now, I'll be showing y'all some of the stuff I done got. I think I hit up like 3 Family Dollars. But before we get into these clearance goodies, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn those post notifications on so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. To all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? To all my returning subscribers, y'all already know the deal. So with that being said, let's get into this video. We some Family Dollar clearance items, y'all. And some of these I showed y'all already while I was in store. We're going to start off with this wonderful Glade Waterfall Delight. It is the 42 count, and y'all, this was $8.97. So I had to get 3 of those, and we don't have no coupons, unfortunately. I wish we did at least like $3 off. It would have been even better. But yeah, $8.97. And then the Honeyberry Hula small spaces, they were in the store. It said they were on clearance for $2.44, but when I rung it up in my app, they were $1.80. So the cashier gave them to me for that price. And like I told y'all, if y'all ever in store and the shelf says one price and your app says another price that's cheaper, make sure your app is set to the right store at Family Dollar. And more than likely they will give it to you for that price. But sometimes they could be jerks and be like, well, the store price is correct and this and that. But more than likely they should give it to you at the online price, and especially if you have it set to the right store. Now, these Febreze air fresheners, they are the limited edition ones. They was on clearance for $2.27. We don't have no coupons. Then this was cheap. It really wasn't clearance, but it was $6.47, and we have a $2.50 digital, making it $4.47. And that's on the Georgia Peach Febreze plug-ins. Then I had got two things of the little snugglers diapers size 2, and they do have newborn and size 1. They are $9, so they are taking 25% off for $12, and these diapers is $9. Now in one store I was at, they was ringing up $9.38, so I didn't even bother to get those. But these right here, $9. Then on the deep fryer, y'all, I went on and got it. I said it was too small, but I don't have that much cabinet space, and I'm sick of going without a deep fryer. So I just went on and got this one, and I'm going to use it for like fries or, something little, because I do have a big family, and I need one of them big deep fryers. But this will do for now. It was $14.97. Then I did pick up the Spider-Man cup for my grandson. It was $2.27. Now let's get into these other clearance items. Okay, here are my other cheap clearance items. We are going to start off with this Old Spice Hydro Wash. It says reduced to $7.35, but no, it is $5.97, and we have a dollar coupon, making this $4.97. And even when you scan this in the app, it rings up $7.35, but that's not the actual price. Then on the 14-ounce Dawn, they are $2.75. And I think this is like regular price, but it is still cheap, and we don't have any coupons for this. Then on the Dawn Power Wash, it is $5. We have a $2 digital, making it just $3. And the coupon for this expires August 23rd. So there's really no rush to get this, but it is a cheap and hot item to buy. Then on the Game Fireworks Moonlight Breeze, and it's the 9.1 ounce. They are on clearance for $5.97. No coupons. Then y'all, I've seen these and it caught my attention because Spring Daydream, I never seen no Spring Daydream flings, and it's the 24 count. Tell me why these are $6, y'all. Yes, $6. Unfortunately, we don't have no coupons for these either, but 24 flings for $6, you cannot beat that. Then I had seen these. They had them hid. They were on the shelf where all the wet wipes was at, but they were pushed towards the back, and I scanned these. These was $2.47, and it's for the it's 12 of them in there. And in order to, know it when you see it, they have the big coconuts on them. And they are Sentiva Clorox wipes. And these smell good, y'all. Okay, then this Snuggle wash scent boosters, they are not on clearance, but they are $4. We have a $1.25 off, making them just $2.75, and that's for the 11.5 ounce. So these are some of the cheap and clearance items I got from Family Dollars. Now I got a couple more items to show y'all before I end this video. And I will be putting up another video shortly with Walgreens clearance and deals as well, y'all, because Walgreens has been popping on the clearance items as well. But I'm just focused on Family Dollar in this video. So let's get into these last clearance deals. Okay, y'all, here are the last items I got out of Family Dollar. We gonna start off with the Gain fireworks. It is the 12.2 ounce. This is $10. We have $1 off, making it $9. And I know some people that might not be a sale or cheap to y'all, but hey, it's $1 off and it's the big bottle. But I need to stock up on beads. That's how come I purchased this. But you can always throw this in a transaction on Saturday with the 5 off 25. So that can make it also cheaper out of pocket. Then I had got the 105 count Gain dryer sheets, Moonlight Breeze. They are $4.50. We have $1.50 off, making them $3. Then on these two, Downy Calm and Downy Fresh Protect, they are both $5.35. We have two coupons that can go with these, either $1 off, making them $4.35, or $1.50 off, making them $3.85. And what I did was basically use the $1.50 coupons in two different accounts. So I paid $3.85 for each of these. Then on this Febreze, the Cranberry Crumble limited edition, it is well, it was $1.97. We have a $2.50 coupon, but they just lowered the coupon down to the price of this and made this free, actually. So they don't do overages at Family Dollar. So like, since it has a $2.50 coupon and it's cheaper than the coupon, they'll just lower the coupon down to whatever the cost is to make it free. So that was free. Then on the Glade, it is the Champagne Cheers limited edition. And it's like light pink and stuff. You will know it if you see it. And then it has the little champagne bottles in the back. It says notes of champagne and white peach. But this was 97 cents, y'all. And it's good to remember what clearance items look like. So when you go in the store, it'll be easier for you to spot them out. Okay, y'all, on the mini brands balls, these were $10 balls, and you can see where it had the $10 sticker, but this particular one says fashion, and it's gold, and it has like little purses and little stuff in them. This was $1.97. So be on the lookout for these, because kids, girls in general, love these little balls, because they have little surprises inside of them. And then you can always sell them like in a bundle. Like if you get a whole lot, you can sell like, just say 4 for something or 5 for something, because like I said originally, these were $10 and people do love these. Now these purple ones, you want to be on the lookout for these as well. They was 10 and they are $3.97, and the ball is purple. And it doesn't have like the name like how this says fashion. This just has a Tabasco sauce bottle on it, and it's purple, and it says mini brands. But yep, they got Tabasco sauce on them, and they are $3.47. So, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, because no telling what type of deals I will be dropping next. And with that being said, I will see y'all in the next video. I'm out, y'all. Peace.